Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So today we are going to solve the pattern 14 from TUF Plus. So let's try to understand this pattern. So here we are given with a integer n and we want to print these many rows which will be equal to n, and we want to print the characters from A to Z. So A, B, ABC, ABCD and ABCD when n is 5. So let's try to write this example. For n equal to 4, let's say n is equal to 4, then first row will be A, second row is going to be AB, then ABC, and then the last row ABCD. Okay, so in any pattern problem what we do first is identify the number of rows. So here you can see 1 2 3 4, so 4 rows equal to n. So we can easily write our outer for loop for rows. For I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Till this it is clear. Okay, then coming back to printing ABC. Do you know that any for loop it's not mandatory to write with integers. You can write for loops for characters also, and characters are generally stored in ASCII values. We will cover that part later, but for now just understand that we can use characters. And let's say A plus 1 is equal to B. You can get it basically. Even A plus 2, it's C. So same way we are using this concept here. Okay, so what we will do, we will write a character for loop for char ch equal to, we will start with A, right? So basically our printing statement starts with A, so we are starting with A, then ch is less than equal to A plus I. Okay, and ch plus plus. Okay, so A plus I, that means let's say everywhere we can see that whenever our I equal to 0, I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3, so we can say that it runs from A to B, right? So basically if our I is 1, right, A of I plus I is 1, in that case it is nothing but A of plus 1 equal to B, right? Or B, it's similar, right? So running it from A to B or A to A plus I, it is anyway same. Okay, then let's say we will do the print ch. Okay, and at the end we will do line break, print ln, and we can end the for loop. So let's try to code this particular example here. What we will do, for int I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. And inside that our character for loop for char ch equal to A, ch is less than equal to A plus I and ch plus plus. Okay, inside that system dot out dot print of ch, and at the end system dot out dot print ln. Try to run this. Yes, it's accepted and you can see the output. Try to submit this. Yes, it is submitted also. And talking about the time complexity, you can see this is running from I to 0 to n, and this is running from basically 0 to I and ith, so it is O of n square, and in the space is O of 1 basically. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to our channel Code Crafters Lab. Thank you.